Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Got another case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And this case is made by Mailwolf. Never heard of this company before, but it looks interesting, so let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so this is a Mailwolf case. As you can see, pretty interesting case. Got this red accent right there around the bumper and around the mag ring. All right, so I thought that was pretty cool. You can get a 10% coupon if you click on that 10% clip right there. Different colors. You got red, blue, black, pink, purple, and you can get some with without the ring, the color accent around it, right? $19.99 on Prime. Let's go ahead and check this out and see what it's all about. Okay, here's the box right here, Mailwolf box, pretty clean, not much on there. And here we go with that tape again. All right, so we got the tape off. Let's pull this out. All right, not much in there. We got the case, and that's it. All right, let's put this to the side. All right, so here's the case. You got a translucent back. You can see through it a little bit, and it's got that red accent right there around the Magsafe ring and the camera ring, and also on the sides right here. A little bit of flare. All right, you got an opening for the charging port, your speaker, and your S Pen right there. Not much on the side there. You got an opening for the mics and your power button and volume down rocker right there. All right, no branding, just this accent right here. You got a kickstand, which feels nice and sturdy, and see, this one goes all the way out, which that other case should have done that, and this one can hold in different positions. Nice and sturdy, and a nice snap too, so snap right in place. All right, let's go ahead and put the phone in and see how it looks. All right, case fits nice and tight, and this got a nice grippy area right here. If you can see that detail, this has a ridged right there, so it's got nice grip right there. All right, this is a pretty good case. Now, if you don't like the accent, that might not be for you, but you can see nice camera area look right there, and the Magsafe and the kickstand works really well, and it's black as well. So you put that there, and it sits pretty nice. You can sit it in different angles, so it holds in different spots there. All right, so it's a good kickstand. All right. Now the case looks good, feels good in the hand. The lip is raised up a little bit, not too intrusive. It's not sharp, so when you slide, it won't hurt your finger or anything like that. And the camera area is covered. Okay. Let's go ahead and get the charger and see how it works. All right, so picked up charging there. Let's stand it up, see what happens when we do that. Picked up charging there as well. All right, let's lay it on the side, see what happens there. So picked up wireless charging there as well. All right, let's check out the Magsafe, see how that works. All right, so picked up charging. Let's see if it picks this up. So it holds up right there. Let's see if it can hold the phone. So this one is not holding the phone because you got so when you put it on the, this mag is not as strong as some of the other ones, but it's not bad. What it does, when you get it on there right, it does hold pretty good. So that's pretty good. All right, but this camera area right here can be a problem. You can see that right there. If you have a square case, a square charger, but if you got a circle charger, it shouldn't be a problem. But the square, I'm having a little bit of difficulty there, but it's holding right now. So the magnet is pretty good there. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Mailwolf magnetic charger with kickstand. All right, nice looking case, got a nice looking red accent, nice flare there. So if you like that, that's going to work for you. Okay, now I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get this. If you have any questions, hit me in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.